Hey guys, it's Ashley and we're at our newest listing, 2632 Meadowview Drive. This is a great home. I'm standing in the circle driveway right now. It's a 5-bedroom home, 4-bathroom. You have a beautiful paver patio out back with a wood fire pit. Also, you have a sunroom, 2-car garage on the main, and then you have a 3rd garage down in the basement with a driveway around back. Lots of updates throughout. They have just recently done a really nice epoxy-coated flooring in the garage on the main level. Also, those garages, all of them are both heated and cooled. Crown molding, it offers so much. I cannot wait for you guys to take a look at this one. So come on in and take a look inside.